today we're just going to change this background art here. Um, the person helping me with the artwork has sent me, I asked him to make kind of like a city type background since we're going to have a Batman character, and he did so. He sent it to me in both a PNG format, which is a flat image, and a layered XCF GIMP format. And in the future, I might use those layers to animate the background some, but for right now, I'm just going to right-click and delete this background here. And then I'll hit spacebar, import plane as, and I'm going to go to where I have the background saved as a PNG. So I'm just using the black back image now. So let's go rotate, so RX90, scale it up. I did not make that shadeless. Let's go to the materials here and make it shadeless. Boom. Grab it. Let's go to our camera view here. Front view. Scale. So there we have like a Gotham City. Let's move it up some. And let's change this ground plane, since we're not in the grassy green area anymore, to be this color here maybe. Let's grab, or oh, that's right, the ground plane is, I thought I made changes to the ground plane. Let's adjust that. Let me see something. Yeah, I guess I thought I did some stuff that I didn't do. So we added the background here. Let's go into the side view here, and let's actually let's delete this ground plane altogether. Let's create a new cube. Yeah, it wasn't a plane, it was a cube. I'm going to grab it, move it over here. I'm going to go to my front view again. I'm going to scale it on the x-axis some. I'll scale it on the z-axis some. And I'm going to hit 0 to go to my camera view. I'm going to try to start using the camera instead of just the front view. That way we can link stuff to the camera. I was avoiding doing that earlier just because the camera has depth, and this is a 2E game, but we're going to be adjusting things. Scale this up some. Grab this. Now we can also, if we're going to start using the camera, we can center this and say shift select the camera, control P, and parent that level complete text to the camera. So now no matter we move the camera, that'll be lined up properly. So let's zoom in here a little bit. Press P. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. And let's now make sure things aren't too close. Okay. And we will also give this a material that is shadeless. And actually, we already had a material. Ground material. That doesn't matter. We'll select this and choose that color there. Go back to our camera view here. There we go. Oh, that's I hit F12. I meant to go into game mode. Okay, no, the ground is still dark. So let's see. We got our nice Gotham background here. I don't understand why the ground plane I guess it's I made shadeless, so the lighting shouldn't make a difference. Let's grab this though and move it back some. It's odd to me that it's like that. That's definitely something we're going to have to figure out here. I do have... Let's set this. See how that looks. Ah, there we go. Had to turn on GLSL and solid textures, and to remove that. Now our items that don't have any textures, like our cannon, are now very dark, as well as these words here. So all we have to do is give them some sort of texture. Or I mean material. Material. And let's set it. Guess we have to give it a texture too. But that's something that we can do in another tutorial. Don't want to get these too long, and I would like to, for right now, since we're doing the Gotham background, we're going to choose our empty here and choose the shoot tux and change it from super tux, scroll down to tux Batman, so that we can now seems like our tux is has a lot more force than he used to have. Like the blocks aren't slowing him down at all. Not sure what I changed there. Let's go ahead and have a look. Choose him here. His mass is still the same. The mass of these are still 1. Let's see. I guess his linear forces, we made it higher so he would shoot further. Let's turn up the mass on these concrete blocks to maybe 5. I'll make them a little bit harder for a lighter weight object like our tux to move. Again, it's just a matter of tweaking and tweaking and tweaking the game until you get the movements you want, and then you change something and you realize you have to tweak it some more to get it back how you had it. He still has quite a bit of force going forward. Let's change this to 10. Oh, he just fell to the ground. That was unexpected. Just keeps moving. I'm not sure at what point in our development that started happening. It's throwing me off here. Nope, that's not what I want. I do want local on. Don't have any movement on here, so his movement completely is based on our little linear. Now I'm just, like I said in the videos, you're gonna see all my mistakes. He just keeps on going. Maybe I'm just having a brain cramp on something I changed. Because we definitely don't want them to fly like that. What happens if I switch him back to just a regular tux? Tux 1. Go back to our first layer here. Same thing. Yeah. That's not good at all. Maybe if we set this to 0. And let's see what happens if we take our tux here and give him an always edit object, track 2. I don't think I need that track 2 anymore either. Let me see something. Let me turn that off. Because we changed the location, the locking location and rotation. Oh, that's because I set that to 0. Let's give him a motion. Let's move that up. And we're going to say location, local, and here we'll give him 15. Oh, and not forget to connect it. Whoa, that's not right at all. Let's turn off local and see how that affects him. Whoa, oh, he's shooting really, really, really fast. That's what's happening. Let's do 1. Okay. Let's go 0 there. What happens if we do force instead and we do that to 1? What if we do that to 15? Tweaking, tweaking, tweaking. Oh, oh, he's floating up. Okay. Excuse me, 0 on that. Well, maybe if we turn off local and set that to 15. Nope. 0.5. Oh, now he... Okay, he hit the blocks there. He's just going so fast he's going through stuff. Yeah, I can't be using that. That's not going to work. This is a stumper. Just trying different numbers here. As I said, you're going to see all the mistakes I make. It's one of the embarrassing things about doing this and recording it. Huh. Dynamic settings, torque, angle. Okay, let's just delete that. Go back to here. For right now, we'll set this back to, we'll say 10. That's just weird. I'm going to have to look at some older files and see if that was happening and see what I've changed. So anyway, we got the background. We did one thing in this tutorial. Also got our ground plane or ground cube showing by turning on GLSL. Sorry if this tutorial kind of sucked. Hopefully the rest of them are better than this one. Anyway, keep on watching and have a great day.